If you are looking for one of the most upgraded inventory home opportunities available at Astor Creek, this Rebecca is absolutely worth a look. Priced at about $1,040,000, this home offers 2,586 square feet of living space, 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, a dedicated flex room, a 3-car garage, and a long list of premium upgrades throughout the home. Let's start by taking a look at where this home sits in Astor Creek. This home sits on Homesite 156 and sits on a deeper Homesite lot than your standard Astor Creek lot. So typically in Astor Creek, the Homesite lots are about 150 deep, while this Homesite ranges from 177 to 180 feet deep, giving you an additional 27 to 30 feet more of lot depth in your backyard. This Homesite backs up directly to the green of hole 6, so this property offers beautiful golf views while tying in with that additional lot depth, giving you tremendous space for outdoor living. Whether you're looking to expand the outdoor entertaining area, add a custom pool in the future, or simply enjoy the additional separation and open space behind the home, this home provides plenty of flexibility. Now that you have a better understanding of the home site, let's take a look at the floor plan and the upgrades already included with this home. This is the Rebecca floor plan, offering 2,586 square feet of living space, 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, a flex room, and a 3-car garage. The owner's suite is positioned privately near the rear of the home, while the main living areas are centered around the large great room, which opens up into the covered lanai that opens directly to the outdoor living space. One of the more notable upgrades for this home is the 12-foot by 10-foot tall sliding doors in lieu of the transom windows, creating a more dramatic connection between the indoor and outdoor living spaces. Additional highlights include the 3-car garage, outdoor summer kitchen, and a premium chef kitchen package featuring Monogram appliances, a designer wall-mounted hood, built-in refrigerator, upgraded cabinetry, under-cabinet lighting, and designer finishes throughout. The home also features laminate wood flooring throughout the home, including the bedrooms, main living areas, really creating a uniform, clean look throughout the home. As we walk through the home, you'll get a closer look at many of these features. If you are wanting a complete breakdown of every structural option, finish, and design selection included in this home, you'll be able to download the full property brochure by scanning the QR code at the end of this video. Of course, you're not just buying the home, you are buying into Astor Creek, one of Port St. Lucie's newest golf communities. Centered around an 18-hole championship golf course, Astor Creek offers residents a resort lifestyle with beautifully designed amenities, social events, and a location that puts you just minutes away from dining, shopping, and everyday conveniences. Whether you're looking for a full-time residence or a seasonal home, Astor Creek has quickly become one of the most popular golf communities on the Treasure Coast. And because this home is already completed and move-in ready, you can start enjoying the community immediately without going through the construction process. If you would like the complete property guide of this home, including the floor plan, pricing, structural options, and design options, simply scan the QR code to download the brochure. And if you would like to schedule a private tour of this home or other opportunities at Astor Creek, feel free to reach out. I would be happy to help. As always, I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and I will see you in the next one.